Nope, spring is not really here where I live yet, but we can bring out the spring feels anyway. So to start off with this cute purple spring look, I just quickly apply my base makeup and my eyebrows. Then after I have primed my lids, I am applying a warm light brown into the crease. Now to deepen up the look a bit, I'm applying a darker brown starting from the outer corner and working it into the crease. And after that, I'm applying a white cream shadow onto my lid and blending it into the crease makeup. Then I'm picking up a shimmery bronzy loose shadow and applying it all over the white cream shadow, but not all the way into the inner corner. And now over to the pop of color that I think looks amazing for the springtime. I start off by applying a light purple along my lower lashes. Then to really bring out the purple, I apply a purple shadow pen also along my lower lashes and blending it out before I go in with a darker purple and focusing that towards the outer corner. And now let's move over to the eyeliner, and to really frame my eyes, I'm applying a black liner on my tight line and a liquid liner along my upper lashes.
I can only imagine we're dancing in the moonlight. I can only imagine, I can only imagine. I want to know if you will be.
Then to finish off the eyes, I'm curling my lashes and applying a mascara.
We never knew. Out of sight and out of mind. I don't want to be with you. But the next time I saw your face, nothing I can do. I just have to face the truth. All I want is to be with you. I can only.
And lastly, for this makeup look, I'm applying a nude lip liner and a peachy gold lipstick.
I can only imagine we're dancing in the moonlight. I can only imagine.
And there you go for my cute spring makeup look with a little pop of color. Let me know what you think in the comments, and thank you so much for watching.
Den här går så och jag går så här.
Så traskar du iväg då. Ja, ser smidigt ut. Så där ja. Där satt den.
Det går inte att fallera.
Jag tror att de här ligger och solar.
Jag ska bara visa hur apmycket snö jag fick i mina skor.
Där ligger allting i dojorna.